So we are here in our shop. Today we're gonna show you how to make the diffuser like this one for the E36 or almost any car. This is pretty easy thing to do. You need just some tools and plates. So here's with our brother engineer. This is the plate you need, like these ones. You need blades and cutting stuff, and it's good to have this one, makes your life easier. And of course some safety tools for your ears, for the eyes. Here's the brother engineer. He just cut it 5 pieces already. This is how it's gonna look like. And then you bend it like this, an L bend. Then you paint, and then you install them to your car. You don't need a long plate down, you just can install them immediately to the car, like in this one, which looks so cool. More aggressive look and sportier. I don't know if you can see, but here you can see some screws. Here's one, here's two, installed. So we're gonna show you how it looks after the finishing. This is the way. This is how it is. Then you bend it and you just put the screws down after painting them. Keep up to check the final product. So before we forgot to mention that the measures of these have to be a little long, so you have to measure from here, like for example until here or until the end here. It depends on how you want this piece to be out. We think this is the best one. It looks like more original, more manufacturer made. This one have to be longer, this piece, and more thicker or wider. Now we come to the bending. So here you can see that this one is coming out. This one is the one beside it, one step in.
On the wheel side.
So yeah, this is how it's gonna look like, just exactly in this car. The same thing. We make the bending before painting. After that we're gonna paint those. Now we're gonna continue bending these. As you see, here is the line for the bending. We measured about 4 millimeters down, and this is whole thickness. For example, on this narrow pieces, it's about 14 millimeters. These are thicker, you can tell. You can see this is longer and thicker, wider, sorry. This is the sides, and this is the middle, which doesn't have to be really big or wide or something, just that all the measures are the same, they are all the same. Keep up. Yo, what's up? So here we are back again. Here's the parts that have been cutted and painted. It's all painted matte black. We also paint them primer. So here's the primer and the black matte color. And now we have the car up in the lifter. It's gonna be installed in the back here using some screws in the plastic and little in the body. You can use something else if you don't want to put the screws in the body itself. You can use silicone or something, but we're gonna use screws in here and put some rust safe stuff. So keep up to check how it's gonna look. So here's how it's gonna be installed. This is 2 plates already. So 6 plates left to install, all in the back. So it's gonna look awesome. So here is the final product, how it's gonna look. Here we have exactly the same measurements between all the plates, so it looks like a complete diffuser now. We're gonna get some sticker in here, like the other one. Then after finishing this installation, we're gonna put now paint and protecting stuff for the screws that it doesn't get rust and it looks like shit later. So it's gonna be always fine and rust free. This is how it looks from down. So here's the 2 long plates. This is the first one and the other one is the same side here. The second one beside the wheel. So it have to be longer. Here's the end of this one and here's the end of the long piece. It's nicer that it covers, when you look from up, it covers almost everything down. You can see in here how it looks. So you don't see the exhaust and the unnecessary stuff that you don't like to see around. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked the video and you found this helpful idea. Thanks a lot. See you next time.